Pahalgam terror attack da MEECHAM kuntaru HATKHIBA ki Paokhum Oina Indian Armed Force ke Operation SINDOOR Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK ki TONGANBA target mapanda precision missile KAPSHINDUNA attack CHATHAKRE precision missile KAPSHINDUNA CHATHAKHIBA attack adugi matangda NDTV na piba report amada hai ngasi Indiana missile strike CHATHAKHIBA target sing adugi manungda Lashkar-e-Taiba amasung JSA Mohammed ke stronghold oiriba Murid ke amasung Bahawalpur yauri attack adu ngarang amasung ngasigi lona ba ahing nongyai matung pung ama minute ni fumari rong tabada chathakibane Pahalgam terror attack ke Paokhum Oina Indiana chathakiba missile strike aduda chaurakna terrorist humbutara rom seke aduga humpu romna asok apanangki haide Ministry of Defense के official statement ama palladna NDTV के report adna makatan hai India da terror attack sing chathabada plan tawfam amade direction pifam oriba Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir ke terror infrastructure kaya India na thubai kre action sing ado ningthina same saraga chathiba oibana Pakistani military facility amatada target tawkhide Pahalgam terror attack da Janaba Singh amata lemna tharoi haina India na lauthokiba adu ngasidi thabakta onthopungamle haina Defense Ministry na phone directly haina so report adu da palle Nakalamromda ngasi ayo Press Information Bureau ge Media Center da Operation SINDOOR ga mari lengna pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Colonel Sophia Qureshi Wing Commander Vyomika Singh amadi Foreign Secretary Bikram Mishri na paumi Singh hai Operation SINDOOR के target sing adu Indian Armed Force na piba intelligence input amade terrorist ke thabak thoram sing khallaga chathakibane paugi mipam aduda Foreign Secretary Bikram Mishri na hai Pahalgam terror attack ase Pakistan ka mari leini haibase haujite mayek sengle Indian officials sing na attack adu confirm tawradna hai India na Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir da leiba TONGANBA terror camp mapanda target tawki mapam sing adude Markaz Subant Ala Bahawalpur Murid gi Markaz Taiba Tehra Kalan Salkota leiba Mehmuna Joya facility Bimberge Markaz Ahle Hadid Varnala Kotli district leiba Markaz Abbas amasung Markaz Rahil Sahid Muzaffarabad ke Sawai Nala Camp amade Markaz Set na Bilal Hedi.
The latest attack in Pahalgam has understandably generated deep anger in Jammu and Kashmir and in other parts of India. Following the attacks, the government of India naturally responded with a set of initial measures relating to our engagement with Pakistan. You're all aware of the decisions that were announced on the 23rd of April. However, it was deemed essential that the perpetrators and planners of the 22nd April attack be brought to justice. Despite a fortnight having passed since the attacks, there has been no demonstrable step from Pakistan to take action against the terrorist infrastructure on its territory or on territory under its control. Instead, all it has indulged in are denials and allegations. Our intelligence monitoring of Pakistan-based terrorist modules indicated that further attacks against India were impending. There was thus a compulsion both to deter and to preempt.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया। पाकिस्तान में पिछले 3 दशकों से टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण हो रहा है। इसमें रिक्रूटमेंट, इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन सेंटर्स, ट्रेनिंग एरियाज व लॉन्च पैड शामिल थे, जो पाकिस्तान और पाक अधिकृत जम्मू कश्मीर POJK दोनों में फैले हैं।